Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Poweradd USB Type-C wall charger. Now, the iPhone 12s do not come with a USB Type-C, or basically a newer power brick. Before, they used to include these, which are the slowest 2.0 USB port charging bricks. They've been using it for probably about a decade, and then we got this guy, the USB Type-C for only the Pro models of last year. And then we got nothing. By the way, in about a few weeks, I'll be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Midnight Blue. So if you guys want to see that video, make sure you stay tuned because I'll be pairing it with this. And it just depends because it could get delayed. It just got in stock right now. So it's good for all phones or anything with USB Type-C, 18 watt. As you can see right there, it has a iPoweradd.com. You just scan it and you can go to the website. 40 volts at 50 to 60 hertz at 0.6 amps max. It's a output of 12 volts, 1.5 amps max USB Type-C. So it retails for less than $10 and I definitely recommend it, and you're gonna see why. There it is. And then we also have a user manual in there, which I'm not gonna get. When you plug this in and you're charging, this will light up right here, and then the 18 watt PD port is at the bottom. It's a white colorway as Poweradd. It looks nice, sleek, and modern. It's very small. Here's a size comparison between the old generation. As you can see, in height, it is definitely shorter. And then in width, which I can't really determine because this thing is the same. But as you can see, it's just overall very similar to this size. Comparable to the 18 watt fast charger included with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's basically like this. So a very similar size comparison. It's about half the size of that. So the one that Apple sells, it's half the size, half the cost, and it has foldable prongs, which the one that Apple sells does not. Which I don't know if many of you guys would use that, but here's a size comparison against this one. Is another 18 watt fast power adapter. See, it's way smaller, and then this one has foldable prongs as well. And then a more premium version, which I do recommend, it's the Basia 65 watt GAN charger. This one's capable of charging multiple devices all at once. It has two USB Type-C ports as well as a 3.0 USB port. They charge up to 45 watts max and 65 watts max, and then this one charges up at 18 watts, which it equivalates about to 9 watts because USB Type 2 3.0 is not that good. And yeah, so it's generally a really good size, and these prongs are the sturdiest I've ever felt. Now these ones right here, they're easy to take out, so if you're traveling, that might be an issue because you have to continuously open them. This one does seem to struggle with that, but it's good because its build quality is fantastic, especially for the price. This is one of the cheapest ones I have here out of all of these. But yeah, it is the cheapest one out of those. It's cheaper than the Anchor Nano, but like half. It's half the cost of that as well. It's just cheaper overall because you get to buy one of these $20 Apple charger that they sell, which basically charges at the same speed. You're getting foldable prongs, it's smaller, half the cost. And you can buy two of these, you know, to save up with USB Type-C cables, like I said. Plugs in like that, and this one's actually turning yellow. That's weird. I don't even use this cable anymore. So you can't use old traditional ones, as you can see. It just doesn't work. And it doesn't even make sense if you were to do it that way. Basically a very easy review. I'm gonna quick video because it's just one small little device that is capable of charging your brand new iPhone. And I will include this in the unboxing video of the iPhone 12 Pro, as well as another attachment which is coming tomorrow. So if you want to see that video, make sure you also subscribe. See you guys next one.